How to schedule Lyft in advance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can schedule a Lyft ride in advance so that it will book a ride automatically later on. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. First, launch the Lyft app on your iPhone or Android phone. Type in your scheduled destination under the Where Are You Going button. Then, once you've selected a destination, tap on the schedule icon resembling a calendar right above the Select Lyft button. And as you do that, next, you have to just make sure your pickup location is actually accurate, then tap on the confirm pickup option. After you do that, just select the date and time you wish to schedule a Lyft ride by toggling through the options. You can schedule a Lyft up to a week in advance, and a driver will come up, pick you up within 10 minutes of your scheduled time. And make sure your pickup location, date and time, and type of Lyft are correct before tapping on the schedule button. If so, tap schedule and pay. And that is basically how you can schedule Lyft in advance. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.